Hello friends, today we are going to make oven free and maida free pizza. Let's first make dough. The ingredients required are warm milk, yeast, then salt, oil, sugar and atta. First let us mix warm milk with yeast. I am taking 2 cups of warm milk and 4 tablespoons of yeast. Mix it well. And let it soak for 10 minutes. Set this aside. It's been 10 minutes that we have set aside mixture of milk and yeast. Let's get the rest of the ingredients and knead it properly. We're going to mix atta now. Then add sugar, oil, then salt. Mix and knead the dough properly for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Once the dough is kneaded properly, apply little oil on top of it and close it and set it aside for 30 to 40 minutes. It's been 40 minutes that we have set this aside. You can see that it has become fluffy. Now we are going to knead this one more time. Now we are going to spread this dough and make small pizzas, mini pizzas out of it. So we have spread this little. Now we are going to make small pizzas out of it. Pizza dough. We are going to fry this in a pan. Now take the dough into a frying pan. Now prick it with a fork. Make sure you fry the both sides. Now start applying sauce on top of that. Once pizza sauce is applied, we'll start with the toppings. So toppings is according to the wish. We'll start with cheese. So currently we have corn, tomato, onion, capsicum, green and yellow, and baby corn. So you can add olives, black and green as well into this, or mushrooms, paneer, and if you are a non-vegetarian then chicken. So we are going to add all the things in all the pizzas. So once you have all the toppings, you can add oregano and chili flakes on top of it. Add little more cheese and close it with a lid for 5 minutes. It looks like our pizza is ready, guys. It looks yummy. Please do try and let me know how it tastes. Don't forget to subscribe, share and press the bell icon.